Nature and future of planning. Generally, there are 8 common natures of planning that focuses on. First, 1. Planning focuses on achieving objectives. Management starts with planning, and planning begins with the determining of objectives. Therefore, plan arises from objectives of a company, and the objectives provides guidelines for planning. In the absence of objectives, organization cannot achieve anything. The better way to achieve the objective is, decide everything in planning. 2. Planning is primary function of management. Planning is the first important function of management. The other functions come after planning. In the absence of planning, no other function of management can be performed. Planning provides the basic foundation. According to this, future management functions will be in future. For example, a Titan company plans to achieve watch sales with the target of 1 crore a year. In order to achieve this target, the other functions of management, related to organizing, staffing, directing and controlling comes into operation. 3. Planning is pervasive. Planning concerns all levels of management. It is not an exclusive function of any management level or department. All level persons should be there. They may be a managing director of the organization or a foreman in a factory. Since the job of planning is performed by the management managers, at different levels working in the enterprise, it is appropriate to call it all-pervasive. The scope of the planning differs at all levels and among different departments. In a plan, the time spent by the higher-level managers in the process of planning is comparatively more than the time spent by the middle-level and lower-level managers. Therefore, clear that all the managers working in an enterprise have to plan their activities in advance. For example, the decision to expand business will be taken by the higher-level managers. The decision to sell a product is taken by the middle-level and lower-level managers. 4. Planning is continuous. Planning is a continuous process, for the following reasons. If a business, in dynamic environment, it is necessary to continuously plan, based on changing business needs and situations. Any plans that should be prepared for a particular period. Hence, there is need for a new plan after the expiry of that period. In case of any discrepancy in plans, those plans are to be revised. In case of rapid changes in the business environment, then the plans are to be revised. 5. Planning is futuristic. Planning means looking forward and preparing for the future. This analysis future needs and requirements of a business and be preparing for that. For example, a company is planning to market a new product. At the time of planning, company have to keep in mind the customs and the interests of the people, and also the possibility of any change in them. 6. Planning involves decision-making. In any plan, essentially there should be an alternative plan. A planner chooses the most appropriate alternative. Therefore, it can be asserted that planning is a process of selecting the best, and rejecting the inappropriate. Therefore, observe that planning involves decision-making. 7. Planning is a mental exercise. Planning is a mental activity, which involves imagination, foresightedness and clear judgment. Plans based on careful analysis in internal and external business influence activities. It should be carried out by logical and systematic manner. A planner has mainly to think about the following questions. What to do? How to do it? When to do it? Who is to do it? It should be carried out by logical and systematic manner. 8. Plans are arranged in hierarchy. All persons in planning team have certain limitations to plan. Level of hierarchy is arranged like top-level management, middle-level management, and lower-level management. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.